Happy Friday night, friends. We are back at Hollywood Studios for another ride on the Skyliner, and maybe we don't want to ride the Skyliner. I just heard some thunder coming through. We're not staying here, we're parking here. This is like kind of the central location to park for us. So we're parking here, and then we're heading over to the BoardWalk tonight. Normally, we would take the Skyliner all the way over, which we can still take it. Hopefully, this is just a little passing storm coming through. Looks bright over there. But we're gonna do a little pin trading on the BoardWalk and see what else there is to offer over there tonight. It's been a while since we've been over to the BoardWalk. All right, we made it over to the International Gateway here on the Epcot side, and we're walking not towards Epcot but towards the BoardWalk. Let's head to the beach club and do some pin trading in the beach club first. I love the beach club resort. I think that this is one of my favorite resorts, in addition to Polynesian. I just love the location. I love that it's right close to Epcot. I like the little beach area. I like their big pirate ship water slide and their sand bottom pool. I'll be curious to see how it looks when they're finished with their updating. But we're gonna go to the right near this fencing and head in to the beach club. All right, so we're checking the first pin board. What is this? Minnie's Flower something. This is like the second different pin I've seen. Minnie's Flower Market. That's kind of a pretty one though. I kind of like that. I might trade for that one because that one's a pretty one. Okay, so I think there's another pin board around the corner. Oh, right there. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Is that a Pinocchio?
Yes, it's very cool.
That is a different one.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah, I think we should grab that one because that's a cool one. All right. So we traded for two pins right off the bat. A Pinocchio one and then a Minnie Mouse one, which I've never seen. It was kind of pretty and different.
We should keep that one.
So yeah, I might use that one in a DIY. But we are now heading into the marketplace. And we'll check it out down here, see if they have any pins in here. Usually they do. We will see if they have any different sets. Winnie the Pooh. So I noticed that the beach club does have the Ducks of Disney pins, which I know a lot of people have been looking for these and they haven't been able to find them, but they are here. So you want to do some Munchlings? Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe we'll do some Munchlings. Look at this cool buzz pin. I like that one. And this one's cool too. So what did we buy?
So you know how we collect Munchlings and we also collect pins. Why don't we just collect pin Munchlings? Or I should say Munchling pins.
Perfect. So we bought our first pack of Munchling pins.
Yeah, pack 3. Right?
Okay. Yep, series 3. So we're gonna start some collecting on these so that Jameson can do a little art piece for his wall.
First is, oh, look at that.
Oh, is that a little Cheshire cat? Mm-hmm. There's a little Cheshire cat. That's so cute.
Okay, next is, oh, look at the little popsicle.
Oh, that's a really cute one.
Yeah, I know.
Who is that? I'm trying to figure out who that is. It looks like a bird.
What's the next one?
Yeah.
And I know who character this is.
Oh, that's a cute one. This is this Chip or Dale?
I have no idea because they look the same.
That's a dragon.
That's a dragon? Okay. Looks like it has a beak.
Next is, what is
that looks like it looks like a red Stitch, kinda.
We have more.
And I think there's 5 pins in a pack.
And ready for the last
Yep,
one?
ready
Mom?
for the last
I kinda like the
one.
burger one, and so hope when I get the burger.
Oh, that one's a cute kitty one.
That's cute.
Those are really cute.
Yeah, they are.
All right, so we are gonna start collecting them. Obviously no duplicates because we just started, but now we can see if we can find some on some boards.
Awesome.
So we're walking the corridor that goes past Beaches and Cream. You can kind of see some of the construction work going on here at the pool. Looks like they have a lot of the concrete ripped up. They're redoing a lot, not just the sand. You can see they have scaffolding over there, so it looks like they're doing painting. A little of everything, I think.
Not changing
So,
the layout from what it looks like.
Yeah, I think they must just be like updating like some of the concrete sidewalks and doing maintenance and stuff. But this is it. It's not looking like much right now. I thought that they'd be a little further along by now. I don't know when the scheduled time for them to have it complete is. But this is a very popular pool, and for it to be down during the hot summer months is not fun. So, anyhow, we're walking. We'll continue walking. Yeah, we'll hop in this way. And we're gonna see if we can. This is the Yachtsman Steakhouse. And this is Cruise Cup Lounge. And we are heading, we've never eaten at either. We are heading into the main Yacht Club lobby area to see if we can find some pin boards. Both the beach and Yacht Club are very pretty resorts. Very nautical. Kind of New England-y feel. Ale and Compass, the bar? Yes, we did. I think I see a pin board. This one right here. Yeah. Okay, we'll check this one out first. Wow, there's a lot of pins on this one. Look at them all. Nope, no locks. We need headbands, and we need the new whatever Jameson's collecting, the Munchlings.
By the way, if you see
That's
one of
a
these,
cute one.
if you see one of these foods, you gotta have a face, like a
Right.
cute face,
Right.
and able to be an actual
What one?
munchling.
Yeah, the Disney. I like the little piglet. Hey, there's a Sean. Do you need that one? You do.
It's not the collection.
So it's still a cool one though. It's a BB-8,
It's
right?
not the collection though. I mean, whatever.
I mean-
if you have one to trade, that's fine.
We
but
do have one to trade if you want,
That's fine. You can trade.
because that's a cool one. All right, let me get one. All right, there's another pin board at the Bell Services. Anything here?
It's nice and bright, so we can see.
Yeah.
It's a funny one.
That is a cool pin. What does it say? Bummer? We have that one. We actually have 2 of them. Well, I think we just traded the other one that we had. Nope, I don't think we need any more of these. I think we're good. Let's see, where else might there be some?
Look at that cool glow.
Yeah.
Let's try to roll it.
You want to try to roll it? Okay, go ahead. Go try to roll it. All right, so we are now heading down to where the shop, the market is. Is it right in here? And down in here? There's usually a pin board in the markets. So we'll see if we can find one in here. I think we found a good couple of pins so far.
There's like a paperwork.
Oh, yep, perfect. Go ahead and head on over. You're pro at spotting them now. Hi, he's checking the pins. Oh, she's got some mystery question ones. Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
So I actually do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, rock, paper, scissors.
Ready, we'll go on shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang. Pick one. Decisions. Okay, if you don't like it, you don't have to trade it.
Okay.
Just
Oh, not one we need, but that is a cool one. That's a cool one, but thank you.
Alright, do you want to play one more time?
You want to try again? Yeah, of course. All right, so Jameson won rock, paper, scissors 2 times, and he was able to pick a really cool pin. I'll show you. It's a Country Bears pin right there. So that was what he traded for.
And it was basically mystery to play rock, paper, scissors. The first try failed. And the second try was a success.
Nice. Yeah, this is their other pool that they have in working order for people right now. There's one on each side, so there's 2 pools.
I know that one.
One here and one there.
Not very busy.
No, surprising it's not very busy. But it's also later in the afternoon, after 7. All right, so we walked up the pathway up to the bridge heading over to Swan and Dolphin and BoardWalk. We're just taking a little peek at the water. But there is the Swan and Dolphin over there and the new Swan Reserve. And we are gonna head onto the BoardWalk side.
You ever see it at the Dolphin?
No? Yes, we have. We've stayed. This is the Dolphin. We've stayed at the Dolphin and not the Swan. Yeah, we've stayed at the Dolphin a couple of times.
I think 3 times.
Yeah. You can see that's where the
Filled up.
water taxi drops you off for both resorts. All right, so here is the BoardWalk. I'm gonna head into the BoardWalk. It's been a while since I've been out to the BoardWalk as well, so we're gonna see if we can find some locations for pins here. Now, a fun little thing to do when you're here, and Sean and I were just talking about it, is rent a Surrey bike. And usually it's for 2 or 4 people, and they're the little multi-pedal bikes that you can pedal around these the BoardWalk area. And the last time we did it with Alyssa, and Sean had to pedal the whole time all by himself because Alyssa and I were laughing the whole time. It was actually, oh, did you see that lightning over there? So there's the beach club, the yacht club, and now here is the BoardWalk. There's some of the carnival games on the BoardWalk, the hoop toss, and they have the shoot the little clowns. All right, yeah, shoot the little targets. All right, let's go in thimbles and threads and see if they have, I know there's a bathroom, there is a bathroom somewhere around here. Jameson drank too much tea. So here are where you can rent the Surrey bikes. They're right here. And I would love to do these again for a video. So this is actually, looks like you can fit 4 plus maybe 1 or 2 kids in the front. And then they have a smaller one back there. But there's your prices. So a single bench Surrey is $30 for a half hour and a double is $35 for a half hour. So that would be something fun to do. And we just had a good boomer that came through here with a good bolt of lightning. So hopefully it doesn't downpour. All right, so we are now in the BoardWalk, and this carousel and then the chandelier above it are 2 very unique pieces that are exclusive to the BoardWalk area, or the BoardWalk Resort. So let's see if we can find the pin board. Do you have a pin board, Jameson? Oh, it's right here. Thank you.
Looking for anything in particular?
We're looking for,
We're looking for the Munchling pins. And we're also looking for some villains and
ears.
headband ears.
Oh, I got it.
So...
No, there's the villain one.
So there's the new bakery shop, which I'd like to go check that out. Sit here and look at the water and the sunset on the boardwalk.
The sunset is already.
Oh, Daddy got a chocolate shake with the chocolate in it.
Really?
That looks really yummy.
There's already enough chocolate in there. You have to add more.
Ooh, that looks yummy. Look at
You
that.
want me to take off the cherry?
We're gonna eat the cherry? Alright, so this is the cake bake shop. We're just looking around to see what's in here. I wanted to just check out some of the chocolates. Look at the cakes, Jameson. Yeah. No, I'm just looking. I wanted to see what they had. Oh, look, they have cocktails too. They have cocktails. And all kinds of fancy treats and cookies and snacks. Very cool. All right, so we are walking back into International Gateway to pick up the Skyliner to head back to Hollywood where we parked. We could have just parked here at Epcot, but Hollywood's a little closer for us. And then not only that, we would have to walk all the way through Epcot to the other side. And so, anyhow, this is what we're doing. But it looks like the thunder and lightning has kind of passed. The Skyliner is still running. And so we're gonna hop on. Sean got his chocolate milkshake that Jameson is now finishing. And we're gonna head on and head back home for the night. Nice little walk. We got our steps in tonight. And
Sometimes we get a walk to see how the steps you're taking.
yeah, we took a lot.